Me and Tefal have been working together for 16 years and we've developed some of the most beautiful pans out there. I want to show you the right pan for the right job so you guys know what you can get out of some of my beautiful cookware. For me, the Jamie Oliver Griddle pan is a game changer. So this griddle pan adds flavor, it adds texture, it adds a look. But the key here is by heating this griddle part here, which is weighted and it's heavy. And we just simply place it on top like that, and then you get the weight and it cooks from both sides. And then when you cook a big thick steak, amazing. Salmon, vegetables, or even a humble cheese toasty. Yes. That's what we want, guys, a nice, oozy, grilled cheese sandwich. So let me introduce you to the Jamie Oliver copper range. It's absolutely beautiful. It's classy, it looks so good in your kitchen, but it doesn't just look good, it's got a tri-ply construction. That means it's got copper on the base, aluminium sandwich in the middle, and then stainless steel on the outside, and that means it's really efficient. For me, one of the great things about the copper range is they're great to cook in, but they're also great to serve at the table. It looks so good. A nice simple tomato sauce with garlic and basil. A simple little dish made in the right pan for the right job. Now it's time for me to tell you about the stainless steel premium range. I love this, it's so beautiful. It's a nice heavyweight but not too heavy. You've got the lip so you can pour things beautifully. And we've got the classic Tefal coating, which is what they're famous for. And you've got the thermo spot that changes color when it's the right temperature. The little gaps, they've changed color. So now it's a good time to put in our egg. This is an omelette that I made up for my little baby girl Petal. In we go, our egg. Move it around. I don't want any color on the omelette. It's going to be really quick and really beautiful. Turn the heat off. The cheese goes on top. Get a little spatula like this and then just go around the edge. And then what we're going to do is use gravity. We just move it like a little pouch. It's soft, it's gentle, it's delicate. When you get in there, there's many layers, right? That's what we want. Sometimes in life, the simple things are the best. Nice little omelette with a little help from the beautiful stainless steel premium Tefal range. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed my quick little hints and tips, the right pan for the right job with a little help from Tefal.